Hey y'all, Sniper Trader here. It is Thursday, April 4th, 2024. Today was a rough day in the market, let me tell you. Pre-market here at 8:30. We had unemployment claims data come out. The market shot up about 100 points or so. I was thinking, yeah, we're probably going to retrace that. So I actually went short. Whoa, what the hell? I went short right there. And then it pulled back some, and a lot of people were like, man, you need to follow the trend. So I started thinking about it, getting all up in my head. And I said, yeah, I probably should. We're above the 20-day moving average and all that good stuff. So I reversed my trade. Dang it. I keep fucking up. Oops, sorry for my language. I reversed my trade right around here on that candle. And then now I'm long 10 because I went short 10. I bought 20 to exit my short and 20 long, or 10 for long. And then we went down to this 20 EMA. And I bought 10 more. Figure out what I'm doing wrong there with my arrow pointer. Anyway, I went 10 long more, so now I am 20 long NASDAQ. And it kind of came back a little bit. Touched off on this. This is the weekly opening gap where it opened on Sunday evening. We bounced there, and I'm thinking, all right, man, we're good to go. Came up here, chopped around. And then around 2 o'clock, we had a Fed speaker speaking. And you can see what happened. This market just tanked like 300 points or something. So, yep, I am down heavy. 18,000. I did not have a stop loss. But anyway, that's how it goes. I'm just going to hold it thinking with all of this sell side imbalance, we are bound to go back up. Hopefully tomorrow I can get out for a small loss or break even. We shall see. One thing I want to show you guys is this is the NASDAQ, a 24-hour or daily chart. I use 24-hour because I can choose electronic hours on that one. On the daily, I can't. So looky here, we went underneath this 50 daily SMA, and we are now under the 20 SMA as well. This is the first time we've been below the 50 since last November ish. So that's pretty major. Hopefully we recover that because that is not good. We are starting to look a little bit bearish. And if you look at the ES, which is the S&P 500 futures, we broke below the 20 daily SMA today. This red line here is the 50. We're still above that, which is good. So hopefully that will fix itself, as in go up. Russell 2000, same thing. We're below the 20 daily and above the 50. What is the Dow doing? It looks like the NASDAQ. It is below both. So we got 2 indexes out of 2 below the 50 and 2 out of 2 above the 50. But I think they're all below the 20. So that ain't very good. Anyway, that's that. Tomorrow we have good old unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. It's probably gonna, oh wait, that was today. Tomorrow we have non-farm, which is usually even a bigger mover of the market. Plus we have unemployment rate and more dang Fed speakers. So tomorrow could be pretty volatile again. Hopefully it's volatile in the upwards direction for my sake and possibly your sake too if you were long today. Funny thing is, if I would have held my shorts this morning, I would be swimming in money right now, but I'm not, and that's how it goes. Keep that in mind for your mental toolbox. When you think something's going to happen, maybe it will, because when other people tell you it's probably not going to happen, it still might happen. But anyway, enough on that rant. Tomorrow for earnings, we have absolutely nothing that I can see. I'm getting better with this little tool. Maybe I'll figure it out one day how to be fast with it. Good at erasing, that's good. Anyway, that's about all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to, I got to do my recap, and I have something special to talk about. This is my recap from yesterday and today. I have made 797 in dividends, 75 in futures, and that's because of this one. This is where I reversed my short this morning for a negative 650 bucks. But I'm still up on the month, which is good. And I'm still up in the month in my monthly totals for every category so far. So that's not bad. 2,500 in 4 days of trading. I'll take it. But the thing I want to talk about is down here. Today, screwed up again. Trying to do a square. I earned $763 in dividends from 3 tickers. These are all Defiance income ETFs. They sell options on their holdings, and they pay out the earnings and dividends monthly. So keep that in mind if you're looking for some high yield dividend stocks. The reason I specifically chose these is because they are indexes. This one covers the S&P 500. QQQY covers the NASDAQ 100. And IWMY covers the Russell 2000 index. So I figure that's safer than single stocks. I also have one called, well, I have YMAX, which is a yield max one. And that's an income ETF on all of their ETFs. And then I have another one by YieldMax called Ulti. It's brand new, but it looks kind of promising. They change up the holdings on Ulti. So this one might be a really good one. I have yet to get a dividend from Ulti yet, but I should have one soon. And all of these pay monthly. $763 a month. I can handle that. And that's all I got for you. I will catch you tomorrow. Sniper Trader is out.